Distress signal coming through, Adam. Vicinity of Bromelia 7.
Patch us through, shall we? I've never heard anything like it, Adam. And I speak hundreds of alien dialects. Anything in your data bank, Shelby?
Sorry, Adam. Not pulling up any results.
Buckle up, crew. We've got an alien to help, I think. How curious. Zuzu, are you okay? Okay, this is just weird. I think I know what's happening, Adam. Here, let me reverse playback. Oh no! My voice is backwards! Okay, at least you can help us understand what Zuzu's saying. Right, Speedy? Not you too! Shelby, come in! Everyone's voices are changing! What do we do?
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
Hello. I'm Adam, and this is Speedy, Bobby, Shelby, Susie. Did you, call for help? Hey! I don't quite know what's happening, but we must all sound like this for a reason.
I can help.
How can we help?
What is that thing?
It worked! This is Zuzu's translator device. We just needed a few keywords to decode your language.
A long drought on this planet has meant there's nowhere at all for me to take root. If I don't find somewhere soon, I'll be blown clear into space once the typhoons start, and that could be at any moment.
Okay, crew, we're going to take Row aboard Shelby so we can look for places to take root. Okay, Shelby, find us a lush bit of soil somewhere sheltered. Take us in, Shelby.
Just perfect. I can't thank you enough, Adam. And to your gallant crew, my eternal gratitude. No problem.
Au revoir. Later, bro.
Toodle pip.